It's acting up.
Yo, what's going on? We are back with another banger video, and today got my boy Armani. What's good? What's good? Hey, check this out, bro. Look at his Mustang. That's his 5.0. It's hellcat swap. Whines like a hellcat. Got the Alcantara. Ooh. Oh, them seats are nice. Look at that. That's a hellcat engine. He put a cover on it. That's why you can't see the hellcat logo, because you know you can't do that to Ford. Them lights though. Them lights are so nice. Yeah, that looks so good. Yeah, hold on. Hold on, I'm not ready. I gotta hold this camera with 2 hands. No! Damn, them brakes are good.
Oh yeah, they're good.
So loud. Oh my god. It's 700 to the wheel.
750.
750 to the wheel. Bro, them shifts are hard.
Oh yeah, this transmission's crazy.
But it would suck. If you couldn't shift,
oh yeah,
that would suck.
I wouldn't buy this car if I couldn't shift. That's why I keep doing pulls.
Your hood is literally shaking.
Nah, I got hood.
You got the hood clips?
Yeah,
oh my god. Bro, let me have it.
Oh shoot. Did you get the speedometer in there?
Huh?
Did you get the speedometer?
I don't think I did.
Oh dang. Yeah, we did one.
No, we did 50 miles, I mean kilometers. Yeah.
It's like 75 miles.
Yeah, 75 miles. We didn't do one. Since there's...
You can do the windows down.
Yeah, because there's a tunnel, or like a bridge. That supercharger and exhaust. Yo, that is so loud.
I don't want to crash. Smoking. He said I'm smoking or smoking?
Smoking.
Oh, smoking.
I don't know.
Nah, I'm gonna forget to crash.
Brake torque.
You said what? Brake torque?
Not freaking turning left.
What?
Only
Oh my gosh. Bro, it's so loud.
Oh yeah, it's loud, bro.
Man, idles, you can't. Where'd my keys go? Bro, my keys are not
Oh,
even
they're
in my
probably
pocket.
on the side of the seat.
Oh shit. Yeah, but they're gone. They're gone somewhere in the car.
Dang,
What happened?
don't record that.
Yo.
I freaking missed.
Oh shit, that was scary, bro.
Don't record that.
Yo, that was scary. I'll just cut that shift out.
No, just delete that. I'll do another one.
Okay. Hold on.
That was scary. You got stuck at
We
4.
gotta take this exit.
Oh, it's not liking that. I don't know. Something does not feel right. I might have to just restart the car.
Bro, are you scaring me?
Oh yeah, yeah. It's acting up. I mean, the motor's built for it, so it should be fine. Oh god.
Dude, stop.
I probably need to just restart it.
That's gonna fix it?
Should.
Yo, I'm so scared right now.
I still got oil pressure.
Okay.
I might have to restart the car. Oh shit. Dang. I hope that fixes it. I still got. Oh boy.
What is that?
Oh no. That's not the first time I've missed in this car though.
Is that the first time this happened?
This is the first time this has happened. Not the first time I've missed though. Oh, everything's fine now. The light went off.
Really?
Yeah.
Does it sound normal and everything?
Sounds normal.
Who the fuck is that?
I know that guy now. Charging system service now. What does that mean? That's what it's reading right now.
Huh.
It says charging system. I'm kind of scared to turn it off.
Oh no.
Should have bought a hellcat.
Yeah, he should have bought a hellcat.
Nice driving, fine. That was a bad midshift too.
Bro.
Engine. Oh, it's overheating. It's overheating.
Oh. Yeah, just park it right there. Why is my mom calling me? Oh my gosh. Oh.
Oh, I broke a bell.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, I have plenty of coolant.
Well, this is what happened. So, he broke the belt. So the belt is gone now. So, he's stranded. And that sucks. Because I'm going to just leave him here. And I'm a bop. I'm playing. But, we're going to go get a belt. And hopefully we can put a belt on there. That way, we can get this thing going. And so we can go home.
That was scary.
That's so risky. Bro, we're pushing it.
I want to try to go.
You want me to move my car?
Should I get in it?
Yeah, if you want.
Yeah, move your car. I don't want to mix this.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem. Alright.
There we
Let's
go.
go to auto though.
Alright, let's go. So Advance Auto didn't have this belt. I'm gonna go get this belt from O'Reilly.
Awesome. Okay, we're on our way.
Yeah, let's go.
I'll have it up at the counter. You can just come in and ask for Jasmine.
I love you, bye.
Jasmine's is kind of cute. Going in the fourth, I thought I missed fourth, but I didn't.
Yeah.
It went
Damn,
pop.
There you go.
that's gonna be a
We
bitch.
got a new belt.
I know, bro. That's why I bought a mechanic.
You're gonna need somebody's small hands, bro. I can't get my wrist in there like that.
Hello?
That worked its way out.
Hey,
You done?
what's up?
It's gonna get towed back to the mechanic.
It's just
And
a boat.
y'all gonna see it again once it's done
You see it again at your local Cars and Coffee, in the ditch,
in the ditch.
in the crowd.
in the crowd. How many people are you gonna
A
hit?
lot.
A lot.
Extra horsepower, extra people.
Hey, the good thing is,
It could have been.
you're cold.
I am cold. I'm cold. Hey, whose Mustang's that? There's a gray one coming in. All right. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Peace out. Indeed.